Dear friends, good afternoon to you. I have really feeling very proud privilege to give valedictory address. This particular valedictory address supposed to be given by our Registrar Usmania University, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu. However, he is in very important meeting now. Just now he has called Jahangir and to me and he is not able to join. However, he expressed very happy moment and also said to convey his best wishes to the entire seminar, particularly to the organizers as well as to the participants. Dear friends, I understood the concept of this entire seminar in three important aspects. First one, generally we used to speak about Rome cannot be built in a day. Second important point, we used to talk about always engineering, but it is not only the engineering concept Professor Jahangir has been adopted. It is a concept of engineering, re-engineering and reverse engineering. And the third one, definitely as a management, students, professors, scholars, we are always advocating the concept is called VBM, Value Based Management. When it comes to the first one, Rome cannot be built in a day. Friends, the empire cannot be created in a day. The empire can be created with positively taking the approach of small scale sector, medium scale sector and so on. Once you neglect these two sectors, I think more or less I have my own doubts that the total empire cannot be created in a day. You can take several examples of Reliance and how Reliance is doing today, and you can take the example of ITC, and you can take the empire of the Tatas. All these big bulls, they have commenced with the small scale sector only. When you are taking the Japanese model, and we have a top-down approach and bottom-up approach, particularly in the Japanese management, they take the opinion from the people from the bottom level. The reason is very clear. Bottom level people who are really involving in the manufacturing or really involving in the day-to-day problems. And these day-to-day problems are the real-time approach need to be studied very carefully. I think those problems can be rectified and that lead to the creation of the huge technology. Huge technology can be created, but it may not be possible without creation or without taking into consideration of the small scale sector. That is what I mean to say that Rome cannot be built in a day. And especially in this COVID situation, big businesses also faced problems, but the severe problems are faced by the small scale sector. And this is the deliberations given by so many people, like what kind of, I think, solution that can be implemented to bail out from this COVID-19. And the second aspect coming, always I am advocating, and particularly in this meeting, so many speakers, and you do the engineering, and if you neglect with that only, I think your product will become obsolete. That means you have to think in such a way that today you have introduced some product or some service or some other, but what kind of problems you are going to face in the future that need to be forecasted or predicted in advance. And without that one, I think all of a sudden the COVID has been appeared. Now we started thinking that what alternatives we have to adopt. According to me, that is not correct actually. The correct point is when you commence a certain thing and what kind of problems you are going to face in the future that need to be predicted in advance. That is called re-engineering, or if it is possible, reverse engineering you have to do it. And the third important point, my dear friends, VBM, value based management. I am always advocating value creation is the not one day job or 2 day job. According to me, it's a continuous process. And that continuous process, when you're able to mix small scale sector, medium scale sector and large scale sector. The integration of all these three things only, the creation of the value based management is possible. That one, and definitely I congratulate the speakers. This is a 2-day national seminar, but in the form of webinar, and that is 30th and 31st July. And I am head department of business management. I gave an inaugural address on that day, followed by our retired professor, former head, former principal, former dean, Professor V. Shekhar, and he gave a talk, and followed by very experienced person, N.V. Subbarao Garu. He is a builder actually, and he is a person who associated with the real-time problems, and he has given a very classical example, particularly in the construction sector. The first day, it was very successful. And coming today, and Professor D. Sri Ramulu, right now Chairman Board of Studies and Dean CDC, he gave a talk, and he has gathered a lot of data from his friends, research scholars. He has presented a beautiful view on the small scale sector, and followed by Professor Pradeep Kumar Garu, Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana, is a Director Management Studies, and he gave a talk on the small scale sector. He particularly highlighted about what kind of solutions that can be implemented to bail out from this COVID-19. I think that should be well taken. And followed by Dr. Firoz Iqbal, faculty of TISS, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, and he also gave a talk on prediction of such problems in advance will be much better than after getting the problems and thinking for a solution. That was a clear message given by him. And followed by Professor A. Vidyadhari Garu, he is also a retired professor, and he is sitting right now. He is a Director of Management Studies in Nalsar University, and he gave a very lengthy talk with all his experiences he put across. It is not only the COVID problem, and he said that the COVID problem is not the problem in the present problem right now, but in future such problems may appear, and the entire youth, the entire intellectuals has to prepare to how to deal such problems. He gave a very clear message. And finally, I would like to congratulate 3 of my colleagues. They are young, dynamic, energetic. First, my credit goes to Professor Jahangir Garu. Right now he is also placement officer. And my next credit goes to Dr. Sampath Kumar Garu. He is also served in the administration for a long time in the PG admissions. And now we are talking about also Dr. Smita Sambrani, and just now excellent communication skills, excellent language skills, and whatever the message she wants to convey, first she will be herself very clear, then she makes others to be very clear. And I congratulate all the 3 people, and also I take this opportunity to congratulate Dr. Sagar, Vice Principal, and Dr. Sri Ramulu.
And yes, Suchi sir.
Suchi, and son of Jahangir, and Assistant Registrar Balakrishna, Naresh, Mallikarjun, and all my friends who are the stakeholders of conducting this seminar. Make it a grand success. And again, I look forward to see other colleagues of the department also will organize such a seminars which are in contemporary in nature, right? I take this opportunity once again to congratulate, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much indeed. Have a good day. Thank you.